Whether you want to take steps towards clean living, discover new aromas to fill your home, or find ways to spice up everyday routines, essential oils are the answer. One of the best ways to start using essential oils is with a premium starter bundle.
And today we're going to unbox a premium starter bundle and teach you how to use every product to get the most out of your essential oil experience. From your beauty routine to cleaning your home, the possibilities in these powerful little bottles are endless.
Your premium starter bundle comes in a beautifully designed box featuring the Young Living Lavender Farm and Distillery. Inside, you'll find everything you need to begin your oil-infused lifestyle. Let's get started.
When you think lavender essential oil, think versatile. First, you'll love lavender for your skin. Combine a drop or two with your favorite moisturizer for a lovely, calming scent. You can also use it in your bedtime routine. Add a dose to your diffuser, put drops in your bath, or apply it to the bottoms of your feet as you settle in for the night.
Next up is another key player, Peppermint Vitality Essential Oil. Like lavender, Peppermint Vitality is a serious multitasker, best known for its ability to support healthy digestion. Infuse your beverages and baked goods with its fresh, minty flavor, or put a few drops in a veggie capsule before a particularly decadent meal. Planning a road trip or a quick getaway? Keep Peppermint Vitality handy to freshen drinks while you travel.
Frankincense is a powerful oil with a warm, earthy scent, and frankly, we love it.
Yes.
So you can add frankincense to your skin hydration routine to gift yourself glowing skin. Diffuse it to elevate your sacred space with its earthy aroma, or take your meditative practice to the next level with a few drops of frankincense on your wrists or the back of your head.
Time for some tanginess with Lemon Vitality. This zesty essential oil is known for its immune-supporting properties. Infuse your water with a few drops for a hint of bright citrus flavor, or take it in a veggie capsule with Thieves Vitality. You can also try this oil in your favorite recipes. It comes in handy as a replacement for lemon zest or lemon juice in marinades and drinks.
The fifth oil you'll unbox is Diagnose Vitality Essential Oil Blend. The key to Diagnose is in the name. This blend can be included in your healthy digestion regimen. Just put a drop under your tongue before or after a large meal, or you can take it in conjunction with an enzyme product like Essentialzymes 4 to support overall wellness.
Up next is a must-have sidekick for your immune system, Thieves Vitality. Our favorite way to use this blend, add a drop or two to a capsule and take it every morning during winter months to support overall wellness. You can also add a drop of Thieves Vitality to Ningxia Red or your favorite tea for a boost of spicy, sweet flavor.
Valor is an essential oil blend with a sharp and inspiring aroma. You can use it topically on your wrists, your temples, your neck, your shoulders to inspire and promote feelings of confidence and clarity during yoga, meditation, teaching a class, or while tackling a big project. When you have children who are wary of change, whether it's the first day of school, a big move, put a few drops of Valor in the diffuser before heading out the door.
Peace and Calming is one of our most popular essential oil blends. It features a gentle, sweet aroma thanks to blue tansy, orange, tangerine, patchouli, and ylang ylang. Apply it topically on the wrists or temples before homework hour or at night as part of your bedtime routine. Peace and Calming is essential to diffuse when you've had an especially chaotic day.
Citrus Fresh Vitality is a unique blend of citrus and spearmint essential oils. For an easy way to benefit from this blend's fresh and zesty flavor, use it in a veggie capsule. Like Lemon Vitality, Citrus Fresh Vitality lends itself to culinary dishes and drinks, and it's especially delicious in fruit smoothies and marinades.
Panaway Essential Oil Blend features a refreshing aroma and cooling sensation when applied to the skin. Combine it with our V6 Vegetable Oil Complex for a post-workout massage when tired muscles need some TLC. After a long day of traveling, apply a few drops of Panaway to the bottoms of your feet for a much-needed pick-me-up aroma. When you're ready to unwind, enjoy an at-home spa night with a few drops in an Epsom salt bath.
Stress Away Essential Oil Blend is your vacation in a bottle. The sweet and pleasant aroma holds hints of lime and vanilla and lavender, and it smells amazing. Diffuse it or apply it directly to the skin while working, studying, crafting. Any activity that calls for a soothing scent. You can also apply Stress Away to the back of your neck or wrists during a particularly hectic day, running errands or driving carpool.
Raven Essential Oil Blend is an invigorating blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, lemon, and wintergreen essential oils. The fresh minty scent makes it ideal for DIY chest rub recipes. Dilute Raven with a carrier oil and apply it to your chest or back during cold weather months for a comforting aroma. Add a few drops to the bottom of a hot shower and breathe in the bright, crisp aroma of the oil-infused steam.
In addition to the 12 oils in the bundle, you'll also find an Aroma Glide roller fitment. This handy accessory allows you to replace the cap of any of your bottles for easy topical application.
Your premium starter bundle will also give you the opportunity to try 2 products from our popular Thieves cleaning line. The entire Thieves line is free from harsh chemicals and infused with our Thieves Essential Oil Blend, and these handy products make it easy to swap out common household cleaners for safer alternatives.
Thieves Waterless Hand Sanitizer is formulated with powerful essential oils and plant-based ingredients. It lightly moisturizes with aloe vera for that baby soft feeling. In addition, it kills 99.9% of germs and comes in a convenient small package.
Our Thieves Spray is ideal for on-the-go cleaning. With a spritz and a wipe, you can refresh all the surfaces around you.
Last but not least, Ningxia Red. This essential oil-infused drink is a delicious and easy way to support your wellness goals. These easy, single-use pouches let you try this amazing superfruit drink.
Now that you know the basics of your oils and blends, it's time to dive in and discover your favorite ways to use them. You don't need to be an expert to experience their benefits and help your family. Keep your oils within reach and try a new oil every day. Every step toward a more natural lifestyle is a step in the right direction.